This is the brief on the lazy investor insight. We always hear about the grind, right? Working harder to get that raise. But what if I told you the math says something totally different? It turns out that when you're building wealth, time is way more powerful than just raw effort. First, let's look at the lazy winner. Picture this. Early Eddie invests $5,000 a year from age 25 to 35, and then he just stops. Completely. Now, late Larry starts at 35 and invests that same amount for 30 straight years. You'd think Larry wins, right? He put in 3 times the cash. But nope. Eddie ends up with over $60,000 more. 10 years of early work literally beats 30 years of hard work later. So how is that even possible? Well, second, it's the doubling mechanism. At a 7% return, your money pretty much doubles every 10 years. By starting at 25, Eddie gets 4 of those doubling cycles. Larry, starting at 35, only gets 2. You just can't out-earn those missing cycles, because time multiplies your money. It doesn't just add to it. And finally, let's talk about the price of waiting. To hit $1 million by 65, a 25-year-old needs to save around $380 a month. But if you wait till you're 45, you've got to find over $1,900 a month. Waiting makes the climb 5 times steeper. So don't wait for the promotion. Just start the clock today, because letting compound interest do the heavy lifting is the smartest and laziest way to get rich.